Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Elements has several useful tools that let you paint lines and color areas of the images and layers in an Elements file. You can use the brush tools and the pencil tool to paint and draw pixels in an image. You tend to use the brush tools to create softer color strokes in an image. The pencil tool creates hard-edged lines. You can alter these settings by changing the tool's options within the Tool Options bar. Also, you can apply an airbrush effect to your brush tool to apply color in a spray effect if desired. There are also other tools that you can use to create pixel color changes in an image. You will look at using these tools in upcoming lessons.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.